This is SureFire E2D Defender Ultra. So in this video, I'm going to do unboxing and let's test this flashlight. So you got a user manual, show the specs and the function. You got a sticker. And this is the battery you need. And this is a flyer. So let's check it. It's not heavy, but you can feel it pretty strong. And my hand is not big, but it feels very comfortable. It got a bezel on the front and on the back. So you can either punch in either directions. They're both good. The two ends are bigger, so your hands in here, you just cannot lose it. It's very firm when you grab it. Let's do a test. The light is very strong. So when half press, the first is the strong one, and you half press another time, it's very weak. It's like a 5 lumens. Most of the time I'm gonna use the lower setting, just like this. It can run 63 hours. And for the strong setting, it can go for 2.75 hours. It got two-way clip. You can either do this way or that way. And for the glass here, I think it's kind of have a kind of filming because it kind of seems blue. And another good thing that it got 4 rings right here, so you can put any strings on it to just in case that you lose it. In some situations that you need to grab it and use it just like this. So it doesn't need to be fancy. You don't need to go over 5 different modes to reach what you need. And I think this is very good. I'd say that one thing I feel like it's not super convenient is that you see the bezels on the front, which is good, but when the bezel on the back, it kind of, if your hand is small, you're doing like this, your thumb probably not like easily to press it. You have to be holding right here and press it. You don't need to press all the way in like this. It will all the way right. So you can just do a half press, still good. Alright, I like it very much. I think this is the thing that you buy once, you cry once, and you never regret. In my opinion, this is very solid, very good, easy, simple, old school stuff. And you can use it like a useful tool. And also this is a weapon or kind of defensive stuff. If you're in the vehicle, you want to knock the glass, the windshield, it can do it. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.